Hey guys, Gretchen here with Polygala Tenufolia. So I told you I was going to do a couple of herbalism videos last week, and my schedule got really super crazy. I know I owe you a few videos. Polygala Tenufolia is a super important one with brain recovery systems. Yes, back to the brain recovery systems. I like to repair those brains. This one I recommend to all of my alcoholics, all of my recovering drug addicts, and anybody who either has had a stroke or has heart stroke things in their family. This will either repair your brain or help your brain if you do happen to have a stroke later. Okay, so Polygala Tenuifolia, it does these amazing things. It is a root, a traditional Chinese medicine root. It's used for brain repair. It works not only with the hippocampal region, it works with the norepinephrine reuptake system. So it does help when you're repairing your brain. It repairs that system to allow you to not be depressed and go into that really dark place when when you're coming off of booze or when you're coming off of heroin, some pills, whatever it is that you're recovering from. So it keeps you out of that dark place, and it starts doing that repair in the hippocampal region. In addition to that, it crosses that blood-brain barrier fairly easily. So it goes through that blood-brain barrier and it repairs it as it's coming through. And while it's in there, it does all these amazing repairs to your body. It starts to remove blockages. It removes amyloid beta plaque. It removes ischemic, damages. That would be damages done by stroke. It removes damages done by alcoholism, by trauma too. If you experience great trauma, your brain does also guard itself, throwing up these blocks kind of thing. So it does start to repair all of those. It's really great when used in conjunction with ginkgo biloba. They do have a lot of similarities. Like if you've had a stroke or if you have people who have had strokes, it will stop the lipid peroxidization in your brain. It also does massively slow any oxidization going on in your brain and the aging of your brain. It is definitely recommended for people who have brain inflammatory diseases that run in their family. Brain inflammatory diseases, what do I mean? I mean Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, MS, ALS, fibromyalgia, any of the brain inflammatory diseases. I know I missed a whole bunch. I know I did. So I do apologize, but you know what you have if you know the words brain inflammatory disease. This is an amazing tool for you. It does a lot of great brain repairs. And repairing that blood-brain barrier, also as you're older, it does help with a lot of the aging things that go on with your brain, with just life in general, that all of those extra chemicals that have crossed that blood-brain barrier. So I do recommend Polygala Tenuifolia for not only brain repair for brain damage done by alcoholics, done by drug addicts, done by trauma in and of itself. And keep in mind that, especially early childhood trauma, any trauma done before the age of, say, 9, will have significant remapping of your brain, or it's been shown in different studies to have significant remapping of your brain can cause you to develop ADD, ADHD, Tourette's, different little things to manage that stress, because your brain at the time that you experienced the trauma threw up a block and then stopped that from growing. And now that you're older, your brain can actually handle that, but that block is still there. So that Polygala removes that physical block, not that mental block. Your brain knows what to protect you from, and you'll deal with that when you're ready. But that physical block, allowing that brain to repair and allowing your brain to fully form the way that it's meant to be. It will also do the brain repairs way later in life if you have aged brain, or if you had way too much fun in your 20s, 30s, 40s. Don't know how long you kept partying. Some of us just did it in our 20s, but the damages were done, especially if you were doing this before your brain was fully formed. So Polygala Tenuifolia, recommend, highly, highly recommend. If you have had brain damage due to stroke, alcoholism, or opioid overuse, or childhood trauma before the age of 9, I recommend it daily for 1 year. Everybody else daily for 6 months to do that repair, unless you are in a family that has a lot of stroke things going on. Then you'll just take this in your daily regimen because it will help guard your brain if you do happen to have a stroke. It will help guard your brain against the ischemic damage that is associated with stroke. I hope you enjoyed the information in this video. I do a lot of Reiki videos. I am doing another herbalism video this week as well for Danshin, another traditional Chinese medicine. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. This will be going into the addict and trauma holistic recovery. And I will throw up the dosages, the recommended dosages for weights at the end. Please hit that subscribe button for me. Until next time, namaste.